Alright, so today, me and this guy
Hi.
are going some new experimental rounds that I made. So, first up, the new experimental round I have is a Buckshot canister, but it's got poppets in it. And got the standard darts. Oh yeah, and the new suppressor, because we blew the last two up. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention that I got this dog tag here that I'm going to try and put a hole through it. We'll see if I can hit it. I probably won't be able to hit it, but it might be funny. You never know. Anyway, let's get this show on the road. So, first things first, I made a critical error. And I only brought one set of pedals, which is not fun. And I only have like 2 darts for the other pedals. So at most we'll get 2 shots. Or at least we'll get 2 shots today. Because I don't think I brought enough pedals. We're gonna assemble them like so. And these are the new ones. You can tell because it's got a little bit of an edge on the bottom. Anyway, we're going to place it inside the end of the barrel. Like so. Much better fit than last time. Last time it was really, really small. And we're going to push it all the way down. And I also shrunk the fins of the darts so that way they don't explode when they leave the chamber like they did the last few times. We're going to be taking this dog tag and placing it on the bag.
Better?
Yeah, that's better. Oh yeah, and I don't even know if I introduced him. This is my cousin, Carter. Say hi, Carter.
Hi. For the second time.
Me and Ethan were supposed to have a few, what are they called? We're supposed to have a few rounds designed and tested by the 4th, but unfortunately, that didn't go to plan. So we're here about a week or so later, and yeah, we're testing the rounds that we never got to test. And I've got some very, very exciting ones coming up later, so you have to stay tuned for that. Now that we have our dart loaded, we can put on the back cap. Would you mind holding this for me? So we place the back cap on. You already know the drill. I'm going to be cringing the whole time I'm editing this video. Place it into the battery bank. Oh yeah, and by the way, Carter, this is the mixer on the back cap. It just keeps everything all mixed up because propane likes to settle and not combust. Alrighty, so now we go ahead, and if you focus here, we open the chamber. Whoopsies. Whoopsies, whoopsies, whoopsies. I forgot to close all the valves so that it can actually build some pressure. Pardon the mistake. Let's just turn on the mixer for right now and wait for it to blow everything out. Oh wait, it's not gonna blow everything out because Alright. We're having technical difficulties, please stand by. Anyway, after that technical difficulty, now, when we open the regulator, the pressure climbs, unlike it did before, and we want it to settle at about 35-ish. Let's see if we can get all of the... I'm gonna have to reposition myself. This thing sucks. We're gonna have to climb it all the way to 33, 35-ish. About right.
Looks like it.
About right there. And then we open this chamber, and that fills the secondary. Open that, that fills the primary. Turn on the mixer, the blower, whatever you want to call it. Now, we move up. And absolutely obliterate this thing downrange. Let's see if I can hit it. You ready?
Whenever you are. If you can get it.
Alright.
More technical difficulties.
More technical difficulties. Okay. So, what we need to do is take the back cap off, and then we take our ramrod. Well, first let's see if it still sparks.
You gonna live?
Woo-wee! I burnt my lips off.
How's the brows?
Did I lose any facial hair?
No, you seem fine.
Alright.
Just a little curled. That's what it seems.
Is this hair on my hand?
It looks like it.
Okay, I think we could confirm that it does in fact.
Ignite.
Yes. It's okay, root beer is a cure-all. Anyway, after that slight technical difficulty, are you not getting bad glare from the sun? Here, there, is that better?
Yes.
Alright. Here, let's just go side on. Anyway, after slight technical difficulties, we think that it should be good now. Hopefully. If not, then I'm gonna throw this thing across the entire yard. Fans running. Everything's all good to go.
You ready to see this, cupcakes? Fire!
Look at all them birds.
Them birds flying away.
Can't
Let's take a
imagine
look
why.
at the damage. Now that's some damage. Oh, hey. Is it in there? Can you see it? Oh, there it is. I'm gonna fish it out. Yeah, no chance. Ooh.
Well, I'll be. That happens to just about every one of them. They all get Albert Einsteined. It looks like we missed the tag, but honestly, not by much. I would say that I was aiming at it, but the iron sights aren't very good, so that's another thing I'll have to fix in my newer models. Anyway, let's see if we could find any of the petals. Alrighty, so we were able to find most of the dart. As you can see, it was sticking out of the bag. Some petal pieces, about 1.5 petals, maybe less. Some old dart and an old petal and some indiscreet piece of plastic fabric. So now we're going to be testing the suppressor Mark III because the last two blew up. So first things first, we take our next round. Wait, why did I grab 2 darts? I'm geeked. I knew that was gonna happen. Basically all my petals were gonna blow up on the first test. I don't know why I didn't see that coming. Should have made more. So, here's our long dart. We place it inside the barrel. And we ramrod it down. Okay.
Don't know if you can see it, but it's there.
Yeah, it might not show up super well on camera. Now, we put the back cap on it. We plug in the battery. We place the suppressor on it. Okay, now that we have the Mark III on it, let's take... Alrighty. Then we're gonna chamber, fan. So I'm gonna try and shoot at the dog tag now. So, all right, perfect.
Has that happened with the previous two?
Of course it has.
All right, let's take a look. Dog tag seems intact. Oh, hey. Don't think this was here before. Is this what you're looking for?
Shut up. Give me that. So, it happened again. It blew off the front end of the suppressor, despite me changing it. Oh, well, would you look at that? There's a dart right here in the field, which is weird because we're all the way back here. So
That's about 20.
my guess is that when the dart hit the suppressor, it must have grabbed it in a funny way, because it totally ripped out the inside of the suppressor at the end. And when it did that, it threw it off course and it went way off target. And so here's most of the pieces we found. Carter has more. Here's the front end of the suppressor. Got really chewed up on the inside. It looks fine until you look into the front of it and see that it's completely obliterated it. So I'm gonna have to edit this to make it a little bit better at its job. Anyway, it's getting late and we already blew up both of the darts and their pedals respectively. So it's time to test out my new experimental round, which is Poppet Buckshot. And if we take the retainer ring off, we can see that when one of the petals of the canisters come off, there's a wadding and then there's a bunch of poppets in there, as you can see. So hopefully the wadding doesn't like absorb the poppets and slow them down, or they blow up inside when it's accelerating. But yeah, that's the Poppet Buckshot. Let's get it all loaded up. Okay, so this time Carter is going to do a slow-mo a little closer to the target so we could see what's going to happen when this comes apart and hits the target. So Carter, if you would mind going downrange and starting a slow-mo, that would be nice. So from what I could tell, that was exciting to say the least. We're gonna put the cannon back and then test or check the downrange and see what the damage was. Oh, here's our wadding. Doesn't have any poppets in it. That's a good sign.
Looks like some shards are about.
Yeah, it looks like some shards are around here.
Hey, it kind of looks like a piece may have somewhat stayed intact.
Huh. That's surprising. I wasn't expecting this to survive at all.
Looks like another piece may have survived over here.
Here's one of the canister walls. Oh. Here's the sled all the way over here. The sled ended up all the way back here. See anything else?
I see a piece over here.
Oh yeah. Oh hey, would you look at that? One of the pedals from the first test actually survived. Look at that. I mean, it's kind of in rough shape, but it survived nonetheless. Okay, so while that was exciting for us, it probably wasn't very impressive for you guys. So me and Carter are gonna go scavenge for a piece of cardboard, and we're gonna shoot at that and see if we can leave some poppet marks on it. It's very exciting to see something like this actually work for once. I'm used to things blowing up, and not in a good way. Usually it's in my face, like earlier. So as you can see, we recovered a pedal, and we recovered one of the canisters, surprisingly intact, and a few other pieces of one of the other canisters. And the canister sled is intact. So let's go find that piece of cardboard and set it up. Okay, let's... Stupid log. Okay. Voila. We have the cardboard set up. So, we decided, me and Carter, that we're gonna shorthand it to the Poppet Buckshot to Mr. Pibbs.
P-I-B-S.
Mm-hmm. So if you hear us referring it to it, if you hear us referring to it as Pibbs or Mr. Pibbs, then you know what we're talking about. So we got our next canister of Pibbs. Okay, so now we got it. Our next round of Pibbs loaded. I'm never even gonna malt wrap up that. You know, all primed and mixed.
Set it for slow-mo.
Yep, set it for slow-mo, Carter. You smell that, Carter?
I do.
It's the smell of success. Let's go put this back. Here's the sled. Sled looks relatively intact. I think we hit the cardboard so hard that it left all of these little marks right here. So,
Well, there is some poppet pieces on the ground.
oh yeah.
Move your knee.
Huh? Oh, yeah. There is a bunch of poppets, exploded ones that on the ground.
Found a piece over here.
Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. It's stuck.
Wow.
It stuck to the cardboard when it detonated. Look at that. Look at that thing.
Oh, wow. Looks a little burned. Is that another piece survived?
No. Definitely not.
Oh.
Oopsies. It blew off the center and the ridge that holds the canister to the sled. Oh, there's one all the way. There's two all the way out here.
Oh. Let's go for this left one. Oh, hey. This one seems to have remained completely intact. Yeah, it looks like it.
And this one also remained completely intact. Oh, but if you look, I don't know, those look like burn marks. So I think that maybe some of them still go off inside of the round as it's accelerating, which isn't ideal. So I'm probably actually just gonna dump the sawdust in with the next few rounds. So we found 3 canisters that survived with a little bit of scorching on the inside. Pieces of a 4th and the sled. So now we have 2 sleds that survived.
Cool.
We're gonna test another round of Pibs, but this time we're gonna get Carter to shoot it. Oh, look at that fit. That's so nice.
Oh, yeah.
Just need to dig one of my black powder rifles down and let you shoot it.
Yeah, I would like to do that, Grandpa.
I won't do it tonight, it's too late, but I will do it. I have a 45 caliber, a 50 caliber, a 44 caliber, and a shotgun.
A 1911 40 for the 45?
No, it's a Navy, U.S. Navy from the Civil War.
Oh,
Here, it's a replica, but it's from that era.
that's cool.
The U.S. Navy 6-shot.
Oh,
One of the first 6-shot black powder was made.
huh.
But it's a
rolling.
replica. It's not original. It's a replica.
That's cool. Also, look at that sunset. I don't know if it shows up real good on camera, but it's a nice sunset.
Are you ready?
Yep. Wait. Dude, I actually saw the sparks. I actually saw the puppet spark on the cardboard.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, let's go put this back. Let's go put this back. All right, come on, you alcoholic. Oh, we've got the wattle. Did we ever pick up the wattle from the second one?
I don't remember.
I don't think we did. It looks like it got a little bit toasty in there. How many black marks does that one have? It has a few. So, we're gonna have to put more sawdust in it. Let's see if we can find any new marks. Wow. It looks like it got peppered.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, what a beautiful sunset. Anyway, we have a few pieces. Canister. We found 2 and a half one, the sled as usual, and a nondescript piece. It's at the soda cans with Buckshot.
With Mr. Pibbs.
Yeah.
Very nice fit.
Alright. While he's getting all that loaded up, I'm gonna set up the log. With the rope bear cans. There we go.
Aim for the cans.
Yep, aim for the cans. Don't trust the iron sights. They're useless. Okay, I'll tell you when I'm starting to roll. Wee-wee! That thing is loud. All right, let's go put it on the table. Yeah.
Now let's take a look at the damage.
Indeed. So, at first glance, it kind of looks like you obliterated the soda cans.
Here's a piece. Still intact.
Dude, look at this soda can.
Oh.
You tore into it with a poppet. Look, that's what's left of a poppet. You tore in a hole into it.
Seems like Mr. Pibbs is real strong. Oh, hey, is that a little bit of...
Oh yeah, it's got the things in it. This one didn't go in all the way, but you could still see the marks. Like right here, here, and here. It's hard to tell on video, but... It also put more pock marks. Oh wait. Oh yeah, you found the sled too.
Yeah.
Also another poppet stuck in the cardboard. Yippee. Alright, now let's go check for pieces.
Let's take a look at what we've got.
Alrighty, so we've gotten a few canister walls, a few of the canister heads, and the sled. I didn't find any survivors this time.
Well, have you learned anything? Any ideas on how to stop some problems from coming up again?
Funny you say that. I didn't ask you to say that, and I was thinking about asking you to say that, but I don't know, I guess it just happened naturally. Anyway, so a few things we learned today were, we need to get the ramrod fixed. The one that keeps breaking at my house. And, don't stick your face and spark it while it's open. Anything else? Oh yeah, we also might need more wattle for the pibs, so that way they don't explode inside the canister when they're leaving the barrel. That should be about everything. Alrighty, that'll be about it for today. Subscribe, or whatever they say.